Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to give you like 4 examples on how I make money in the stock market every single day. So first of all, I'm trading off the 20-day 1-hour candlestick. So what you're looking here, I'm going to use plug-in AMC. You can use this on any stock, but like I say, you have to study the candlesticks, because if it works on this, every stock can be different. So here's what I'm looking for. So right here, you can see up here 828. So let's hit play. Let's speed it up. So the market's about to open, right? So we got 2 minutes. So right now everybody's sitting on the sidelines. This is where you have to be patient, because right now it's showing red. It looks like it's trying to sell. So once we get the open, I'll fast forward it to 10 minutes and I'll show you what I look at every single day. This is what makes me money every single day. So we're really close to the open. We're getting to the open and bam, market's open. All right, plug starts selling. So now watch this candlestick. Okay, boom. Right here. The market's been open for 29 seconds. 29 seconds. So that means if you're long or short this stock, I still have a half an hour to say, okay, is this bearish or bullish? Or do I want to wait and let that give me confirmation? Because on the next candle, that's when you can size in. So let's play it. So right here at the open, it looks bearish. But look, you've seen how fast that got bought up. So this is where the patience comes in. So right now we're 1 minute in the candle. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna speed it up to 10 minutes in the candle. Okay, we're 10 minutes in the same candle. It went green. So if you were shorting the stock, so if you were short this stock, now you're like, oh my God. Now you're getting wrecked, because there's still 20 minutes left on this candle. If you're long the stock, you're thinking, oh, I'm golden. Like, it's pushing higher. Life's grand. It's a green candle. All right. So let's go to 950. What does this stock do in the next 10 minutes? What does this candle do in the next 10 minutes? Let's check it out. Oh, so now if you're a long bias trader, you have 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes for this candle to close. It's not looking so great for you anymore. Okay. Now it's back to the short side. And if you're sitting patiently on the sidelines, sitting on your hands saying, all right, I got 10 minutes. If I could just wait 10 more minutes to see where this candle closes, it's going to give me the judgment if I should short or if I go long. Okay. We'll go 10 minutes more into the candle. Okay, so this candle is going to close. Oh. So we got to go to 9:59 and 36 seconds. So I want to show you. So now, okay, let me speed this up. It's got to catch up to it. So now there's literally 24 seconds left in this candle. Now, 24 seconds. Can I get a bias on what's going to happen? You can. 24 seconds. Is this candle going to go green? Let's see. So let's play it out. Normal speed, 24 seconds. What does this candle do? It's got to break up here. So now we got 20. So now we're getting down to we got 10 seconds. I'm going to pause it. Right at the open. Right when this candle closes. Boom, right there. That right there, to me. Okay, what am I going to do on this next candle? Well, knowing what I know, I'm going to suggest that plug goes down. Because why? I study the candles. That's what gives me the edge. So, right now, we are 1 second into this next candle. Okay? Where am I going to start shorting this stock? Well, right when this candle opens, I'm going to probably take 100 shares. Why? I'm going to take light size because this can still spike up to the top of this candle is resistance. Where do I look to take profits? Where is my first place I'm going to say, you know what? If I scale into this, where am I taking profits? Okay, here's where you take profits. If we come down here on this candle, I expect this green candle to come right to support. Where is support? It's right at this red candle. And I don't care whatever stock you trade, this is your major support, this is your major resistance. It's 1 hour. In 1 hour, that candlestick presented you the support, the resistance. So if I'm a short bias trader, and the only reason why I'm a short bias trader in this stock is because the candlestick told me with this stock, 90% of that time when this candle closes red, it comes back to support. So when this candle opens, I want 100 shares right away because I'm expecting at least to get, so say I'm in at 36.13. I'm expecting this to come to 35.80s. So let's just do this. I'm going active trader. I'll go to 100 shares. We'll hit play and I'll get in the trade. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to short right there. So right now I'm in 100 shares. Right now this candle is only open for 10 seconds. Let's just see what happens. So we'll go to the first 10 minutes. Unless this thing pulls back really hard. So right now it's looking bearish. Am I in full size? No. The reason I'm not in full size, there's still an hour left on this candle. I'm not going to go in super heavy right here. Why? Because I know it can pop up to here. So if you want to take profits, if it comes down and takes it, by all means go ahead. But I'm literally showing you what I look at every single day right here. So right now it's looking bearish, and it's there's so much time left. Like I'm not going to say that. So right here, I'm going to add. If it gets over 36.20, I'll add. So 36.20. All right, now I'm 200 shares short. Where's my next add? My next add is going to be right here. 36.67. That was resistance. So if I go 36.67, I say I want to short here. Where's my final add? I want to be as close to this as possible, 36.88. So let's go put one at 30. Let's go put it at 36.80. All right, now we can speed it up because it'll get me into the trade. So we'll go into 10 minutes and 34 seconds into the trade. Let's see what we're doing right now. Speed has got to catch up to us. Okay. All right. Let me highlight. So right now we're in the trade. We're in 200 shares short. We didn't get that last fill up here, but it doesn't matter. We're in 200 shares short. Right now we're up on the trade. Okay. 10 minutes into it, it's looking really, really good for us. Let's go 20 minutes. 20 minutes in the trade. Let's see how we're looking now. Look at that. This is small size. Let me pause it. Let me pause this right here. Why was my target 35.80? Because the candlestick told me this is the support. If it can't go higher, it comes to support. So at this point in time, right here, you can say to yourself, you know what? I'm happy with $56. I made $56 in 20 minutes. Great. You hit your target. And you only did a small size. Like, you're not getting in crazy. That's what I mean, is an hour-long candle, you don't size in heavy right at the get-go because you don't know what that candle can do. It has 1 hour to perform where it wants to perform. But what that candle tells you is it can spike all the way to here, to resistance, or it's coming back to support. It's one or two options. That's all you need to know, one or two options. So, this is how I make money on a daily basis. Are they big winners? No. But you've seen the 40-day green streak. This is how I do it every single day. Every single day. Is I look at support, I look at resistance. I look at when this candle closes and this candle opens. When this candle closes, it tells me the direction where the stock should go. When that next candle opens, I have small size. And small size to you might be 1,000 shares, it might be 20 shares. It doesn't matter on your share size. But what I'm getting at is you don't go full size until that confirmation has landed. Okay? So let's go speed it up. 30 minutes. And we'll go. I'm going to show you a long setup on AMC. So 30 minutes in. How are we looking now? Alright, so 30 minutes in, the candle, we're up $70. It's holding that support. Once again, it's your choice to take profits because it hit your target. It hit the target. Your target was right here. Anything below this target is just extra. Like, hey, I think that it's going to go lower. I could get into a lot more details on like how I'm looking at others things, but I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys. All right, let's go. Let's break it down to the hour, and then that'll be it for the short setup, and then I'll go to a long setup. So 1 hour in, let's see what we made. So 1 hour in, let me pause this. Okay, it's paused. Okay. So, hey Diesel, why are you so consistent every single day? This is it. You just witnessed my strategy live. Alright? Is I read, excuse me, I read the candlestick. I go off what the candlestick tells me. So, you had 200 shares short. That's it. You didn't have big size. You just made a $152 trade. And now it is 10 o'clock. And I just showed on the previous video, you should be quitting by 10 till noon. So right here, you're green for the day. And you can say, you know what? I'm good. I've had enough. I'm taking my $152 and I'm going to walk away and I'm going to come back tomorrow and do the same thing again. Perfect. Awesome. That's what you need to do. All right, so that was to the short side. Let's look at a long trade. AMC, because Day likes AMC, so we'll just let's do 11:16. Wait, yeah, 11:16. I just want to show you a long setup, and then I'll end the video. So 11:16. What the heck? Oh, Virtual sold it. Okay, 11:16. So we got to go back because now you guys already know what the pattern is going to be like. But I'm going to show you in real time what you should be looking for. This is why you don't go heavy on the first hour. Is what I'm getting at. Oh my God, that's taking way too long. Sorry, it's taking a little bit, but I'm showing you guys. Showing you guys what. I hate this. I hate on demand, but trying to do a video like this, you just have to bear with me. If you really want to learn, you just have to bear with me. All right, AMC. All right. So right now the market is open. All right. Obviously we know what the candles are, but this is why I tell you can't be biased. Okay, why is it? Why are we not opening here? Come on. Wait. Oh, duh. Sorry, my bad. Oh. I'm not the greatest on the computer, so you just have to bear with me. But you can use this feature. Alright. Market opens. You can use this. I strongly suggest using on demand. And if you want to backtest my theories, go ahead. Like, so, alright, 9:30. Market just opened, and this is to the long side trade. Alright, so what are we going to do? Looks like AMC's selling. Obviously, we know the candles because we messed up on the thing, but this is what I'm talking about. So let's just speed it up because obviously everybody knows all the candles. So let's go to 10 o'clock and see where this candle closes. So 10 o'clock. Alright. So we're at 10 o'clock. This candle just opened. We got to hit pause. So this right here is where you're saying to yourself, well, if it shows red, then the next candle should be red, right? So let's just do this. Draw our lines. 42.32. So on this setup right here, my eyes, I'm short biased. Why? I'm going to tell you. When this candle opens, I'm expecting it at least to come back to support before it goes green. Let's play it. I don't know how this reacts. Obviously, we've seen how the candle opens, but we're at 10 o'clock, so let's speed it up to 10:10. So, hang on, before I do that. So, right now, I'm short biased 100 shares. Okay, let's speed this up now. So, now I'm in. Before I do that, I'm going to put my target at 41.60 to cover my position. Buy 100 to 41.60. All right, let's go. Now we can speed it up. This is kind of like what I do on a daily basis. Go 10:10. Let's see what happens at 10:10. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, pause it. Right there. Right there. 10 minutes into the candle, that candle went red. Does it mean it's going to close? Does it mean it's going to close red? No. But it came back to support before it's going to push higher. That's what you guys have to understand. I'm not telling you that if a candle goes red, it's going to stay red. Or if a candle goes green, it stays green. You have to take your mind and tell yourself, if this closes red, is it going to come down support? Verify the support before it goes green. And everything that I've done with trading, yes. But you always have to adapt. So, we just made $31. Let's go up to 10:30. Now we're out of the trade. Now we're just going to sit back and say, okay, we made our $31, so let's see how this candle is going to go. So 10:30. How's this candle looking? So, it's paused. Perfect. Hopefully it catches itself up, blah, blah, blah. It went past the support. It broke it. But here's where it gets interesting. Here's what I talk about on my channel. If a candle is getting bought up towards the close of that candle and you're a short bias trader, you have to be on the edge of your seat. So, our new resistance a half hour into this candle is right here, 42.01. Where's our next support? 41.23. Let's see what happens. Let's go to 10:45 and see where this candle lands. 10:45. Okay, we got to go back here. Let's go to 10:37, and we're actually going to let it play. Nope, we got to go even back further, I think. It has to catch up. So we do got to go back to, let's see, I don't know, 10:32. This is what I mean. You can't predict. So actually 10:30, we're going to let it play at 10:30 because I want to show you guys how fast these candles can change. This is my whole point, is you can't be biased. 10:30. All right. So we're going to hit play. You're shorting the stock you just covered. The reason why, oh, it's driving me nuts. The reason why you covered is because it came back to support. And now you're sitting on the sidelines. Why are you sitting on the sidelines? Because you made $31. And this is what you do on a daily basis. So now you're just sitting here saying, okay, there's 30 minutes left in this candle. If this candle stays red, I'm short biased. If this candle goes green, what are you going to say? No, I'm shorting it? No. So, this is where shorts get squeezed. And it happens so quick. So quick. I'm trying to show you guys real time how quick this happens. Is you can't be biased on the trade. So right there, I want to pause it. This one from 41.23, and look how much this is getting bought up. If you're a short bias trader, you're on the edge of your seat. Why? And it has 30 minutes left on the candle. Let's play. Remember, I said in that video, when a stock goes either red, comes down back to green, and turns green and closes green, it's pretty bullish. So if you're a short bias trader, when this candle's looking like this and you still have 29 minutes left in it, woof, if it breaks 42.01, you better get out of the way and change your mindset to long. So let's hit play, and I want to show you how fast. Right there, split second, 41.90. Now that candle has a half hour to push to 42.32. It has a half hour to do it. Can it do it? I don't know. I can't. I don't judge the candlesticks. I trade off the candlesticks when they close. It's either going to go to support, or resistance. That's all I do. So let's speed it. Well, obviously we know. We'll just fast forward it. So this is a long setup. This is why you can't be biased in trading. This is why you have to wait for confirmation. If this green candle blows past this, it's so bullish. So, right now the shorts are getting buried. Like, the buyers are stepping into this candle. So, 42.01, if you're short, you better be out of that trade. Why? There's 28 minutes left on that candle. Can that candle go green? Absolutely. That's why I say confirmation. So let's speed it up now because we all know it closes strong. So here we go. Okay, right here. What would I do if I'm a long bias trader? Right at this point. Let me pause it. What am I going to do? This candle just showed green, or this candle just showed a red to a green with the buyer stepping in. So here's what I would do. And this is just me. So, this right here is no longer the heavy support. This no longer is it. Your heavy support, 41.55, 41.23. If you're a long bias trader, and you're thinking, where do I enter? Here's what I do. And you don't have to do what I do. A strong green candle like that, this candle opens, I'm going small size. Why is that? Because it can pull back. You have to use small size. You remember, hour-long candles. This candle just opened. Okay. So, we're buying 100 shares. Let's hit play. And where is my target? My target what first would be 42.86. That's my first target. So if I'm in this trade, I look to the left. Up to the left. My target, 42.86. So let's go up here. I'm always underneath it, so I'm going to go with 42.80. I'm going to sell my shares at 42.80. Anything past 42.86, it's just extra money. So right now we're still up $31 on the day. So let's speed it up. Let's go 10 minutes. Right here, 10 minutes. Let's see how well we're doing. Okay, we're almost up to where we want to get stopped out. Let's go 20 minutes. Let's see if we get stopped out. All right. We got stopped out of the trade. Why is that? Because it hit our target. My target was the nearest resistance. The resistance is... It didn't sell it for some reason, which I don't know why. It should have. The resistance is always up to the left. And if you want to say, hey, you know what, I'm greedy that day. I'm greedy that day, and I want to see more profit. That's just, you're taking on more risk. All I'm showing you is I trade the candlesticks in this whole video. Is my first target is where the stock market says, hey, if this is still bullish, it's going to reach this. Why is that? Because this is a resistance. If I'm a short biased, and I'm shorting the stock, all I'm saying is my first target's right here. Why is that? Because a candle told me in 1 hour, this is your heavy support, this is your heavy resistance. So if I'm shorting the stock, right here's my first target. Anything after that, it's just money in the bank. That's it. So I really hope this video helps a lot of people on like what I'm looking for. If it's a long bias trade, short bias trade, how fast the candles change to you can't be biased. That's the biggest thing. Don't be biased and be patient. When you enter a trade, small size until you have confirmation. Your confirmation can be like, hey, if it breaks yesterday's resistance, I'm adding to the position, which is fine. Totally fine. Like, if that's what you want to do, that's awesome. But just note to yourself, you're taking a risk. Once this hits this level, and if it breaks it, awesome. If you want to hold a little piece to the end, perfect. But all I'm telling you is I trade what the candles present me. My targets are always what the candles give me. So if I'm short biased at 41.90, and I'm only going to make 30 cents, that was $31. And some reason it didn't sell my position right here, but I just showed you two examples on a long buy setup and a short buy setup, and how the candlesticks react, how the candlesticks can change so quickly. So just because you see this candle close red doesn't mean that that next candle is going to stay red. All it's telling you is it's either going to here, to 42.32, or it's coming to 41.55. It has two options. So that's what I mean. You have to put in the time. You have to kind of just do what I did. Like, go on demand. And, like, do scenarios. Like, how do these candlesticks actually perform? Because every stock is different. Every stock, the way it trades, like AMC, highly traded stock, and it can get manipulated really, really quick. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you really want to learn, you have to watch his videos to the end. I see a lot of things on my YouTube, like people watch like 3 minutes. Like, if you're watching 3 minutes in my video, and you really want to learn, you don't want to learn. Like, if you can't watch a 20-minute video on how to actually day trade and I'm presenting this for free, like how I make money in the stock market every day for free. If you can't take 20, 30 minutes out of your day to actually learn an educational video, you probably don't want to really day trade, because I hate to say it, but Everybody knows Stephen Ducks. He used to spend hours and hours and hours on a toilet looking at charts. He was dedicated, and it's paid off. He's a millionaire. So what I'm telling you is that you have to take the time out of your day if you want to be successful and study. And how you study is content like this for free. And I'm showing this as live as I can to you guys, like how I actually look at candlesticks. I mean, this video should be like 100% people are watching to the end. If you're not watching to the end, it drives me nuts because I literally put these out for free and I'm not charging. So, not to be the barrier, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to get that off my chest. I'm glad you guys watch the videos. The people that do and make it to the end, there's a lot of educational in this stuff. So yeah, you guys know the famous speech. Until next time, traders, peace.